Welcome to Smarter Everyday. The Crow and the Birds. Once a crow looked at a swan and thought how beautiful the swan is. She had all white feathers, whereas the crow was black. The crow expressed his thought to the swan. The swan replied that according to her, the parrot is the most beautiful bird as it has two colors and the swan had just one. Next, the crow approached the parrot. The parrot simply said, "Peacock is the most beautiful bird as it is multicolored." When the crow expressed his thought to the peacock said, "My dear crow, you are the luckiest bird on his planet as you are never caged. Because my beauty, I am trapped in this cage and you are free." On hearing this, the crow thought how foolish he had been and thanked God for making him the way he was. Moral: never compare yourself to others. Be happy with what you are and what you have. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.